How to see the line up and check points on FPL. Hey guys, and let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of Premier League application. After that, go to Fantasy. First of all, let's understand the points calculation. Every week, the points are decided based on how many goals the player has scored or how many clean sheets the keeper or defenders have provided, as well as assists are counted. In order to check it, you have to go to Pick Team. In the squad option, you will see the line up that is for the game. And if you go to the list section, you will see the points as well. For that, you just have to scroll down. Another way to see the points is go to squad, click on any of the member to check his point, and then go to full history. Then go to stats, and under FPL stats, you have the points given. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.